What if your video could speak 130 plus languages without hiring a voice actor? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to translate, subtitle, and dub any video using HitPaw Edimakor's AI video translator with optional voice cloning and lip sync. First, click Video Translator in the toolbox once you open HitPaw Edimakor or hit New Project and go to Subtitles to find the Video Translator feature. Either way works. Import your video or audio file. Edimakor will analyze the speech track and prepare it for transcription. Set your original language and pick a translated language, such as Arabic, Chinese, Spanish, Japanese, whatever you need. It supports 130 plus languages. Then choose how subtitles show up. Whether you choose translated only or bilingual mode, Edimakor handles it seamlessly. After that, simply pick a subtitle style from the preset library to match your video's vibe. For videos that don't require dubbing, just hit auto subtitling after these two quick steps. You'll instantly get your target video translated and perfectly subtitled in your desired language. If you're looking to translate with dubbing, just follow the same initial steps and move on to step 3. Toggle on dubbing the video, and you've got two flexible routes. Click My Voice to clone your own unique tone, or browse 1,000 plus AI voices filtered by accent, use case, gender, and even age right inside Edimakor's library. Then hit auto subtitling. In just a few seconds, you'll have your translated video complete with subtitles and AI voiceover.
Okay, this is my nuevo labial option.
The new dub plays over the old track. To remove original dialogue, just right-click the clip, choose Vocal Remover, and keep only background sound. Play it back.
Está bien, este es mi nuevo labial opción.
Just the translated voice now. If you want an optional lip-synced output, right-click the video and hit Video Lip Sync. Paste in your translated subtitles, or just upload that fresh AI audio we just made. Hit Generate, and you've got a perfectly lip-synced translated video in seconds.
Está bien, este es mi nuevo labial obsesión.
Just replace the original clip and fine-tune the edit to match your subtitles.
Este es mi nuevo labial obsesión.
And that's the full workflow to translate any video with HitPaw Edimakor. Hope this guide helped. See you in the next one.